What's up, guys? Right now I am at Costco. I'm just about to get myself a soda from this vending machine. It only costs $1, which is the good thing. Unlike at other places, they charge like $1.75, $2. Please remove product. I didn't even get anything. What the hell? It's saying please remove product. I didn't even get anything yet. I think it's like broken or something. You know what? I could use a Dr. Pepper. Still $1, which is the good thing. I wanted to get a Coca-Cola, but there's something wrong with this machine right here. And I like how it's pretty cool that there's a vending machine with the Kirkland signature brand on it, which is the brand for Costco. It only costs $0.25. You know what? I also got to get a Coke Zero for my dad. Can't get nothing out of this vending machine because every time I press a selection, it keeps saying, please remove product. Getting the Coke Zero. Well, that one's for my dad. Where's my Dr. Pepper? Oh wait, it's right here. I'm gonna get myself a bottled water. It's pretty cool. It's 25 cents. Selecting either one, I guess it doesn't really freaking matter. Yep, there goes my water. Yep. Get my 75 cents back. Oh, they got Monster energy drinks in here, but it's like $2.50. So it's not that bad for $1. Like I said, at other places they charge like $1.50, $1.75, $2, even more than that. Anyway, that's it for now. I will catch you guys later. Peace out.